Hi, Brian here from Gengras Volvo. Today I want to talk to you about all the extra stuff that your Volvo comes with that maybe you don't know what to do with. Well, let's have a look in the trunk of this XC40 and let's see what it really comes with. All these things for emergency situations. Well, let's fold this panel up. Let me take that here. And first thing I want to show you is this baggie here. Inside of it is actually a funnel. What's this funnel for? Well, all new Volvos use a capless system. Well, that capless system doesn't enable a normal gas can to be able to go through both seals that are in here. So this funnel simply inserts into those seals so that you can then fill it with a gas can in case you run out. What's the next thing in here? Well, this tool here is to remove the caps from the wheel lugs. So you simply just insert it and pull it off, and then the actual lug is under it. And that brings us to our next tool. The next tool is, of course, a lug wrench. Of course, always handy if you happen to get a flat and you need to put on that spare tire. Well, then you have your wheel lock key. That fits in to this specific lug right here. Simply remove that cap. You'll see it's got a funny shape right around the outside. That's a unique shape that only this lug nut key fits into. You find the right position and it drops in, and then you can remove that special lug. Next thing in here is a tow hook. Well, these are real handy. There's a cap in the back. You can simply just pry that open. And there's also a cap in the front. You'll see this little indent here. Push on that and it flips open and you can remove it. And then you can insert this tool and screw it in. That's in case you need to be winched out of somewhere or you need to be towed, they can pull it with that. If you do need to use it, make sure you get it nice and tight. Put it all the way in, and then stick the lug wrench through here to use as a wrench to tighten it up really well so it doesn't come loose. The next thing we have is, of course, the jack itself, which is the normal scissor jack type. It already has the bar on it. You just simply spin this bar here, and this would raise up. You put it under any of the jack mounting points that are easily located under the vehicle. So there's one here, and another here. Well, that's all you got. That's everything that's inside of this XC40 rear trunk. I hope that helps you out.